So there's times when I do a lot of drilling into metal, and it helps if you can lubricate your drill bit. And I used to do it manually, but I'd have to stop drilling and then add the lubricant. And then by the time I got the bit back down, and a lot of it had drained away, and I wanted to come up with a better way to lubricate. So decided to do this project with this an Arduino Nano and a small peristaltic pump I got off of Amazon, and a foot switch I also got off of Amazon to make an automatic oiler that I could drill uninterrupted and still add oil. So there you can see the nozzle there that I can adjust through this flexible tubing here, and aim it where the bit's going into the metal. And you can see here, there's the Arduino Nano. There's a potentiometer there, so I can control the duration of the oil pulse. There's also a 3-color LED there. The LED will be green when the system's ready to go, and when it's pumping, it turns blue. And then there's a 1-second delay after it pumps so that it doesn't end up re-triggering by accident and wasting a bunch of oil. So by turning this potentiometer here, you can control the duration of the one shot that runs the pump. I've been running this pump at full speed here with this knob that controls the speed of the motor, because I would like the coolant to, be able to shoot out rather than to dribble out. And I just made a little reservoir out of this medicine bottle here. And what I did is I mounted all this stuff with magnets, the reservoir and then the pump, so I can just put it on this shelf here and have it out of the way without making any custom bracketry or anything. I did 3D print this housing, so I'll give you a demo of how this works. So I'll hit this foot switch, and you can see it just shoots out a shot of oil there. So it's a relatively simple program. It's only maybe 10 or 15 lines long, and I hope maybe this will help some of you guys out. Thanks for watching.